Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing this Seagate Expansion 5TB hard disk drive. So let's unbox it. So as you can see, it has a wrap around it, so we have to break it. Let's see in which way we can open this more easily. I think here. Okay, I broke it. Okay, so I take the wrap off, and here is the hard disk. Now I need to break this thing. It is hard to break it, a little hard, but it can be broken. Man, it is very hard to break it. Okay, I got it. And I broke it. So let's open the box. Wow, it is very well packaged. Okay. So inside this box are some cables. The USB 3.0 cable and the power supply cable. And when I take this off, you'll see the hard drive. Here it is. This is the Seagate 5TB hard disk. Beautiful. So we have the hard drive, the power supply cable, and the USB 3.0 cable. There's the quick start guide. Of course, we don't need this because the hard drive is obviously plug and play, so you connect the cables and that's it. So that's basically all this package contains. So that concludes this unboxing video. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. Thank you.